Okay, next we will look at subscriber fields. So when you log in for the first time, this is what this page is going to look like. So you have two default fields, first name and email. On the right side, you see that type. Here in the middle, you see ASCII name. That is the name that is used when you want to reference each subscriber by their first name, for instance, right? In a newsletter campaign. And so here we can add new fields. So for instance, let me think, we could say last name, right? So last name. And then we would make this a text, right? And let's add another field. We could say birth date, right? And that would be a date. Okay, let's add another one. So we say age of the person, and that would be a number, right? So we have here really types, which is nice. And then you can also add country, the country of the person, of the subscriber. And here you now have kind of a choice. Either you just make it a text again, or also a text area. So that is just a normal field. But alternatively, you could also say this is a radio button or a checkbox or a drop-down box. So let's make this a drop-down. And now you can add fixed options that the subscriber can choose from, right? So that means you would say, USA, and then India, and so forth and so on, right? You get the idea. The thing, however, is of course, that means you have to put down every country. So alternatively, we'll do it now like this. Country. So this is how you design, your Maildroppa application, right? This is totally your choice. And then we have tags down here. Those can be used to tag a subscriber. For example, saying, this is a good customer, this is a bad customer, so that later you can segment your subscribers and can say, I'm only writing an email now to the bad customers and to nurture them, why didn't you buy, blah, blah, blah. So that makes your email marketing campaigns much, much more effective. Okay, so now let's add also some tags here. So we could say, beginner. And we could add another tag, advanced, right? And yet another tag, expert, right? Okay, that is it. And of course, you can also delete or rename the fields, the text in this case, right? So let's say beginner, yeah. Okay. And you can, of course, also delete the tags. Here you have to really confirm that, because if the tags are used, you might actually lose data, right? And that's why you have to confirm that. Okay. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching.